everyone. My report is all about understanding the computer. How computers work. 3 key concepts. All computers users must understand 3 basic principles. Number 1. Data is turned into information. Number 2. Hardware and software have their own specific functions. And number 3. All computers involve input, processing, storage, and output plus communications. So number 1. Purpose of a computer turning data into information. Data consists of the raw facts and figures that are processed into information. So data are measured, collected, reported, and analyzed, whereupon it can be visualized using graphs, image, or other analysis tools. Data as general refers to the fact that somehow information or knowledge is represented or coded in some form suitable for better use or process. The next is information. Information is data that has been summarized or otherwise transformed for use in decision making. So, information naman is a news or knowledge received or given. Example is what's given to someone who asks for background about something. And then number 2, difference between hardware and software. So we have hardware. Hardware consists of all the machinery and equipment in a computer system. So hardware, it refers to physical parts of a computer tulad na central processing unit, monitor, mouse, keyboard, computer data storage, graphics card, sound card, speaker, and motherboard. The next is software. Software or programs consist of all the electronics instructions that tell the computer how to perform a task. So software comprises the entire set of programs, procedures, and routines associated with operations of computer system. Halimbawang ng applications ay office sites, database programs, web browsers, word processors, softwares, development tools, image editors, and communications platforms. And then number 3, the basic operations of a computer. So input operation. Input is whatever is put in input to a computer system. So input operation naman, it captures data from user or its process of accepting data. So by using input, computer can do any process. And then next is processing operation. Processing is the manipulation a computer does to transform data into information. So is the instance of a computer program that is being executed by one or many threads. In other words, it's called conveyor belt system that make the same standardized item. And the next is storage operations. Primary storage or memory is the internal computer circuitry chips that temporarily holds data waiting to be processed. Secondary storage, simply called storage, refers to the devices and media that store data or information permanently. So storage operation can perform include viewing physical disk, information managing storage pools, and managing virtual disks. And then output operation. Output is whatever is output from put out of the computer system, the result of processing, usually information. So system transfer information between computer main memory and outside world. So and then communication operation. These days, most, though not all, computers have communications ability which offers an extensions capability. In other words, it extends the power of the computer. So communication operation is simply the act of transferring information from one place, person, or group to another. Every communication involves at least one sender, a message, and a recipient.